Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto fruity cereal bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 3 cups of some kind of fruity keto cereal. I'm using Catalina Crunch fruity cereal here. And then for our marshmallows, we're going to make our marshmallows. We need a 1/4 cup of cold water, 4½ teaspoons of gelatin powder, a 1/3 cup of water, 1 cup of monk fruit, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We also are going to need to line a 9x9 or 8x8 pan with foil and spray it with cooking spray. Pour your 1/4 of cold water into your mixing bowl and sprinkle in the gelatin and then mix it with a fork. We're going to let this bloom for 10 minutes while we work on our sauce. Pour your 1/3 cup of water into a saucepan over medium heat, and we're going to pour in the monk fruit. So we're going to bring this to a boil and keep it boiling on a rolling boil for 2 minutes. My syrup is currently at a boil, so I set my timer for 2 minutes. We're going to let that boil for 2 minutes, and then we're going to remove it from the heat and work on our marshmallows quickly. I broke up all my gelatin on low speed with my electric mixer, and now I'm going to pour in my syrup, avoiding the sides of the pan. Now we're going to beat this on high speed for 15 minutes. At minute 8, you're going to sprinkle in the salt, and at minute 12, we're going to add all. My 15 minutes is up. This is what your mixture should look like. So now we are going to quickly work and pour our cereal into this and just stir it to combine. Everything is well combined, and I put it into my prepared pan and just pressed it down with my spatula. Now I'm going to loosely cover this with plastic wrap because you're supposed to leave it uncovered for 6 hours to overnight to let it set up. Alright, my bars have all set up, so I removed them using the foil, and I just sprayed my big knife with cooking spray and cut them into bars. And they are delicious. I already tried one, so thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!